I saw the man's eyes. They were cold and angry. He was pointing at me.
She bought it.
He said to the police officer.
She took my painting.
My hands were shaking. How did my life become so bad? 3 weeks ago, I was just a normal student. Now the police thought I was a criminal. Let me tell you how it all started. I was walking through the Saturday flea market. I love old things. I like to look for treasures that other people don't want. The sun was warm on my face. Then I saw it. A small painting in a dirty frame. It showed a woman in a blue dress sitting by a window. The painting was beautiful, but very old. The colors were faded. An old man was selling it. His table was full of broken clocks, old books, and rusty tools. The painting was sitting behind everything else. "How much for this painting?" I asked. The old man looked at it.
$20.
He said. $20 was a lot of money for me. I was a poor student, but something about the painting made me want it. The woman in the painting looked sad, but peaceful. "I'll take it," I said. I paid the man and took the painting home. I hung it on my bedroom wall. Every morning, I looked at the woman in the blue dress. She seemed to watch me get ready for school. 2 weeks passed. The painting became just part of my room. Then everything changed. One evening, I was watching the news while eating dinner. I wasn't really paying attention. Then I heard something that made my heart stop.
Police are looking for this stolen painting.
The news reporter said.
It was taken from the Johnson Art Museum 3 months ago. The painting is worth $2 million.
I looked up at the TV screen. My food fell from my fork. It was my painting. The same woman in the blue dress. The same old frame. Everything was exactly the same.
The museum is offering a $50,000 reward for information.
The reporter continued. My mind was racing. I had a stolen painting worth $2 million. I bought it for $20 at a flea market. The museum was offering $50,000 as a reward. $50,000 would change my life. I could pay for school. I could help my parents. I could stop working 3 jobs just to survive. But I was scared. What if people thought I stole it? What if the police didn't believe my story? I didn't sleep that night. The woman in the blue dress seemed to look at me with worried eyes. The next morning, I decided to call the museum. I would tell them the truth. I would give them the painting and take the reward money. But before I could call, my phone rang.
"Hello,"
said a man's voice.
"Is this Marisol Rivera?"
"Yes," I said. "Who is this?"
"My name is Mr. Williams. I heard you might have something that interests me."
My blood turned cold. How did this man know about me?
"The painting, Marisol. The woman in the blue dress. I know you have it."
I couldn't speak.
"I want to meet with you."
Mr. Williams said.
"I have a business offer."
What kind of offer? I asked.
$500,000. Cash. No questions asked.
$500,000. 10 times more than the museum reward. More money than I could imagine. But it's stolen, I said quietly.
That's not your problem.
Mr. Williams said.
You bought it legally. Someone else stole it. You did nothing wrong.
He was right. I didn't steal the painting. I just bought it at the flea market,
Meet me tonight at the old warehouse on 5th Street.
he said.
Come alone. Bring the painting.
He hung up. I sat on my bed and looked at the painting. $500,000 or $50,000. The legal way or the illegal way. That evening, I made my decision. I took the painting off the wall, wrapped it in a blanket, and walked to the warehouse. The warehouse was dark and empty. Mr. Williams was waiting for me. He was tall and well-dressed. He looked like a rich businessman,
You made the right choice.
he said.
Do you have the painting?
I showed him the painting. He smiled,
Perfect.
he said.
This is exactly what I need.
He took the painting from me. Where's my money? I asked.
Oh,
He said.
There's been a small change of plans. I'm not paying you today. I need to check if the painting is real first.
But you said... He started walking away. Wait, I called. That's my painting. Give it back. But he was gone. He disappeared into the darkness with my painting. I stood alone in the empty warehouse. I had no painting. I had no money. I had nothing. The next morning, I woke up to loud knocking on my door. 2 police officers were outside. The man who sold me the painting had called them. He told the police I bought the stolen artwork from him. He wanted to make a deal to save himself. I couldn't breathe. They asked for the artwork, but I had nothing to give. As they put handcuffs on me, I thought about Mr. Williams. He had my painting and my freedom. The old man from the flea market was blaming me to protect himself. I thought about the $50,000 reward I could have taken. I thought about doing the right thing. Now I had nothing. No painting, no money, no freedom. Sometimes when you try to get everything, you lose everything instead. The woman in the blue dress was gone, and so was my life. What would you have done? Trusted the museum and taken the reward, or risked everything for the bigger money? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this one. Lesson of the day: flea market. Flea market means a place where people sell old, used, or cheap things. Examples from the story. I was walking through the Saturday flea market. I bought it for $20 at a flea market. The old man from the flea market was blaming me to protect himself. More examples. We bought a chair at the flea market. Let's go to the flea market this weekend.